Welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Chemistry by HAMAD. Today we will talk about content writing. What is content writing? Content writing is the creative process of generating content through careful planning and research, writing, and editing that is then published on online platforms with an aim to attract, engage, and retain readers. This content writing definition can be simplified by breaking it into three key phrases. The creative process of generating content. Content writing involves creative thinking and a flair for writing. It's not just about regurgitating information but about presenting it in an engaging and interesting manner. Careful planning, research, writing, and editing. Any good piece of writing, be it an article, blog post, or even a social media update, requires careful planning, research, and editing. Without these elements, the content will likely be uninformative or poorly written. Aiming to attract, engage, and retain readers. The ultimate goal of content writing is to reach and resonate with the target audience. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.